So this is my lunch today. Lakshman has given me too much food because one day I had leftovers and he was feeling really bad, but this is too much. Anyway, let me show you what I will eat from here. Lunchtime. There is a lot of food Lakshman has given me because he did not cook for 2 days, so he's overcompensating. He's feeling better. So from this, I will have a little bit of everything, like little bit. So there is my 1 katori rice. This is 140 to 150 grams, not refined rice. This is boiled rice, which is boiled from before. A lot of people will say, oh, rice is always boiled. No, this is boiled rice that comes from Kolkata. The teachers come, it comes for me, it's unpolished, it's yum. Of course, he keeps a backup. So there is bhindi. My comfort food, kumror bharta. One patla moong ka dal, katla macher jhol. So honestly, I prefer the jhol. बचपन से every day katla mach, rui mach, katla mach, rui mach, we Bengalis have eaten. So I'm kind of tired of it, but I like the jhols. So as protein, maybe I'll have a little bit, but I'll have mostly the jhol. Then I have to get back to work. ल कितना खाना दिया ल सब कुछ माप माप के लेना है पूरा खाऊंगी तो बेहोश हो जाऊंगी so have been doing a lot of vlogging, lot of fancy eating, but this is how I have to eat regularly now. I was, like I said, down with a backache for 7-8 months. I didn't let you all feel it. I did not go online, but that's why I was not dancing. Now I've started to dance, so I need to maintain myself. And once again, I don't waste food. Even when I go and vlog, please use your brains. There is a team, there are other people. Not always everybody wants to show their face on social media. You all keep asking me how I eat so much and maintain myself. I don't eat so much. I always show how much I eat. That honesty I've kept. I eat everything, but in limits. And when I need to lose the weight, then I just make everything lesser and no second helpings. That's the main thing. But I love food. I just love food. Yes, Laura is laughing at me. What to do? I love food. But now, back to dancing. So I have to be careful. Even the achar I love, I have to take one drop. But I need the taste. I'm like that only. So, what's your lunch today? Oh, sorry, I cut the video before. I really want to try a traditional panta bhat. I've seen so much of it. I've seen people eat it. Can you all show me how to make it and exactly how it should be eaten? If you could put that in my comments, I really, really want to try it. Like an authentic version of panta bhat. Panta bhat is, this is for my non-Bengali or non-Indian followers. Panta bhat is a kind of rice that is, I think, kept in water overnight, if I'm not wrong. And then something is done to it which makes it yummy because I see people's face. So, my Bengali followers, please tell me how it is made in the most authentic manner. If there's a link you want to post under my video, but I really want to learn. I really want to try. Okay, now cut.